How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down, click on time management. In time management, click on sleep mode and you'll find sleep mode. To turn this off, simply click on sleep mode option and make sure the circle is on the left side. Now, after the circle is on the left side and you'll find your notifications will be muted during the times you choose, people will see that you're in sleep mode. But if you turn it off, that notification will not pop up and your sleep mode is turned off. This is how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.